Welcome to the Pacific Mountain Regional Council General Meeting 2020 using the virtual platform Whova. This is a tutorial on personal messaging using a mobile device. And we're using an Android device, although it's very similar on an iOS device, an Apple device as well. So after you've installed and logged in to Whova on your mobile device, you're going to want to open it up if it's not already open. And you'll often come to this home page or landing page, but you will sometimes end up at the last page you were using as well when you had Whova open. And so along the bottom is where the navigation menu is, as well in this additional resources option on the home screen on your mobile device. And so this time we're going to focus in on the attendees and on the messages option for this tutorial on personal messaging. And so if you click in to attendees on your mobile device, it likes to try and connect you with other people in your area. So that's why I have the one there. And if I click in there, you can see up at the top, there's a all recommended bookmarked if I want to keep track of somebody that I was chatting with as well. And the recommended one is just other people in your area. And so it is recommending that I get in touch with myself because I'm using my test account here and I also have my administrator account, and so we're both in the same location, and so it feels like we should get to know each other, which we should. So down here you'll find a full list of attendees in alphabetical order, and folks will have added their profile picture or not as of yet, but feel free to do so, and you can do that by clicking up at the top corner and edit your profile, and that's how you can add your picture and a little bit more information about yourself. And you can say hi to folks, you can click on people's profiles to learn a little bit more about them, and then you can say hi or message or suggest a meetup. And if you've already sent a message to somebody and you're just wanting to reply, often on your device you'll get a notification that you have a message, pop-up notification if you have those turned on, which I do recommend. Mainly for voting, you will want the notifications. But if you click over to messages, you'll see all the messages, and this will be from all of the Whova events that you've been to. So I have messages from other events I have been at as well. And then I can just go in and find somebody and click a message that's already happened and carry on that conversation. And you can also, if you want, create a new message too. And then you can pick from which event, so from the general meeting, and say I want to add me, but I also wanted to add Allison here. Then I can add a few different people to the message and create a new message to send off to people. This kind of messaging is a great way to keep in touch with folks throughout the event. You can let them know about your opinion on what you thought of something. If you have some questions that you want to ask, often things are going on and there's that person that we value their opinion and what's been happening. And so this is a great way, even if you're not normally in touch with them and you don't have an email address or a phone number to text them, you can find them in Whova in the attendee list, which you can search as well as go alphabetically, and send them a note, connect and say hi, let them know you're here and that you're happy to see them and be at the same event as them, and send them a message if you have a question. It's a different way to keep in touch with people, a more personal way than using the community discussion board, which there's another tutorial on as well, and is also a great way to keep in touch with people throughout the event.